Hi, good morning children. In the last class we have seen how to convert the mixed fraction into improper fraction and improper fraction to mixed fraction. Both we have studied in last class. Okay, in today's class we are going to see another interesting fact regarding fractions. Okay, before that let us see these two fractions. See children, 1 by 2 and 2 by 4. Can you compare these two fractions 1 by 2 and 2 by 4? Is 1 by 2 greater than 2 by 4 or 1 by 2 less than 2 by 4 or 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4? We cannot say, isn't it? By looking at these fractions now we cannot say whether they are greater, one fraction is greater than the other or one fraction is less than the other or both are equal. We cannot say, isn't it? So for this I'll come back soon, and before that let us do one activity about this. Okay. See, I have brought here 4 strips of papers and 4 strips are equal in size. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 papers of equal length and equal width, same size, right? Now see, this paper I have divided it into 2 parts. Okay, I have divided this paper into 2 parts. Now see, each part I have shaded. See, this I have divided into 2 parts and one part I have shaded. See, this is the first part and this is the second part, and this is 1 by 2, right? Half of the portion I have divided into 2 equal parts. Now see, 2 equal parts. Out of that, this is 1 part, right? So how will you write as fraction? 1 by 2. That means half of this sheet of paper I have shaded, right? Now another paper, see, this is the second sheet. Okay, that paper I have divided into, see, 1 and again I have divided into 1 more time. So that means it has become 4 equal parts. See, these are 4 equal parts. See children, these 4 equal parts I have shaded these 2 parts out of 4. See, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 equal parts, right? So out of these 4 equal parts, see, I have shaded 2 parts, right? So how many portion of this paper I have shaded? 2 by 4. Total 4 parts are there. Out of 4 I have divided 2 and that is called 2 by 4. This fraction is called 2 by 4. See, another sheet of paper. See, this paper I have folded. Same paper. You have to think it is same paper. See, I have divided into the 1, then again I have divided 2, then 3. Okay. And see, here we have 6 equal parts. I have divided into 6 equal parts, right? So 6 parts are there. See, this is 1 by 6, 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 1 by 6. Okay, 6 portions are there. Now see how many parts I have shaded. See, 1, 2, 3 parts I have shaded. Out of 6, 3 parts I have shaded. This fraction is 3 by 6. Okay. Now again I have taken another paper and I have folded into, see, 1, 2, 3. So here 4 equal parts I have divided. Now it has become 8 equal parts. 4 times I have folded, so it has become 8 equal parts. See, and I have shaded 1 by 8. Now it is 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equal parts are there. Out of 8 equal parts, how many parts I have shaded? 1, 2, 3, 4 equal parts I have shaded. Isn't it? So the fraction is 4 by 8. Okay children, see, from all these 3, we can see, if you keep like this, you can understand these both are equal, right? See, this 8 by 4 and this is 3 by 6. Okay, 8 by 4, 3 by 6. Now let me keep this paper also over this. See, 2 by 4, 2 by 4, and another paper is, see, 1 by 2. See, from this what can you see? This 1 by 2, 2 by 4, and 3 by 6, and 4 by 8. All these are equal portions. See, equal portions, half of the papers and paper, I have divided it into different equal parts and half of the portion. That means 1 by 2 is equal to, we can understand, 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. Right? Because half of the portion only I have taken. And that half portion is, first one was divided into two equal parts and one part is 1 by 2. The second paper I have divided into 4 equal parts and out of that 2 I have shaded, that is 2 by 4. Then the third piece I have divided into 6 equal parts, then 3 parts I shaded and 3 by 6. And the last piece I have divided into 8 equal parts, out of that 4 I have shaded, isn't it? And from the 4 papers when we kept together, we understood that half of the papers are divided into different pieces and everything was equal. That means we can understand 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 4 by 8. Right? Now see, we come back to our first question. What was my question? 1 by 2 is greater than 2 by 4, or 1 by 2 is less than 2 by 4, or 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Now we got the answer, no? 1 by 2 is equal to 2 by 4. Isn't it? Now see these type of fraction. Now you see 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6 and 4 by 8. All these fractions are equal. That means its value is same. Right? So now we can say the fractions with equal value are called equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. So what are equivalent fractions? The fractions with equal value. Fractions are having, if all the fractions are having equal value. Now we know that fractions, you see, 1 by 2 is equal. See, equal means same as 2 by 4. Again that 2 by 4 is same as 3 by 6. Right? Then that is equal to 4 by 8. Now, how it happens? See, we can see this is 1 by 2. The numerator is 2 and the numerator is 1 and the denominator is 2. Here the numerator is 2 and the denominator is 4. How do you get this? That is 1 by 2 is equal to this 2 by 4. How will you get it? This 1 by 2, this fraction into 2 times the numerator and 2 times the denominator. Same numerator and denominator we have to take 2 times. Okay, so 2 times numerator and 2 times denominator. That means 1 into 2 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4. So the same fraction only, 1 by 2 only, we have taken 2 times. Right? Then see these 2 common factors, if we cancel, we get 1 by 2. Same. Okay, 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Again you see children, 3 by 6. How it comes? That is 1 by 2, this 1 by 2 into this numerator into 3 times and the denominator into 3 times. 1 into 3 is 3 and 2 into 3 is 6. See, the numerator and the denominator the same number. Right? So if we cancel this 3 by 3 is 1. Okay, this is 3 by 3. 3 by 3 we get 1. So we can cancel it. Here also 2 by 2 is 1. So we cancel. Then next. Then we get the fraction 1 by 2. Then you see 4 by 8 is 1 by 2 into 4 times. 1 into 4 times and 2 4 times. 1 into 4 is 4 and 2 into 4 is 8. Understand? So that means these fractions have the same value. That means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So the fractions having same value or equal value are called equivalent fractions. Okay children, I hope you understood what are equivalent fractions. Okay.